In today's fast-paced production environment, digital safety tools are essential. They help teams cut risk, boost compliance, and streamline inspections. Apps like eAuditor, Audits, and Inspections simplify safety checks and improve accountability. Manufacturing sites face constant risks, and traditional audits slow processes. Digital apps solve these issues with real-time reporting and quick photo capture. They reduce human error and improve traceability. Faster audits mean fewer production interruptions. Spot hazards early and resolve issues immediately. eAuditor leads the list with ease of use and powerful features. It functions both online and offline, ideal for factories. Teams can create custom checklists and generate reports instantly. Managers receive real-time updates for quick action. Build tailored audit templates for any workflow. eAuditor alternatives offer basic reporting and checklist features. They suit small teams but lack eAuditor's customization. SiteDocs focuses on safety documentation and compliance tracking. It supports digital signatures but feels less intuitive. Companies prioritizing documentation may prefer SiteDocs. SafeSite is user-friendly for inspections and safety meetings. Teams log hazards and track progress easily. It includes safety scoring but lacks deep customization. Intellex offers a full safety management system for large enterprises. Setup time is lengthy, and smaller teams might find it overwhelming. These apps replace paper, transforming team workflows. Inspectors complete audits on the floor without delays. Managers review reports instantly, improving communication. Issues resolve quicker, leading to better safety performance. Fewer accidents and higher compliance scores result. While many apps offer similar features, eAuditor excels. It balances simplicity with detailed analytics for improvement. It adapts to various industries and reduces training time. eAuditor consistently ranks as the top choice among safety audit apps. It provides the ideal balance of ease, power, and flexibility.